What happened? Yan ang basa na na. Anong basa? What did you do? Now look at your hands, oh. Why is your hands wet? Ngano? Nganong wet imong hands? Nagunsa man ka? Sean? Nganong wet imong hands? Nganong wet imong hands? Ngano man na? Na wet ang saw. Ngano na, Sean? What did you do, Sean? Oh, you wipe that one. Pangita og chapo, you wipe that. Go. Wala, may ka-bright sa akong baby. Uy. You wipe properly. More. Okay, no more na. Return na nakaw. Kau, you return na chapo. You return. Where man na di mo gikuha? Go. You put it back. Go, you put. Shh. Sean. Asa na mo gikuha, Sean? So, you return that one. Hey, that's dirty. I-return na dito. Where did you get that? Shh, Sean. No more na. That's enough na. Sean. Come on. Sean. Dito, oh. You return that there. Cow. Shh. Go. Return dito. Sean. There. Iput na diha. Give mama be. Here, oh.